Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Good. I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Okay, before we start the class, we have to prayer. Okay, Johnny, please lead the prayer first. Thank you. Anybody who knows what we are going to learn today? Anybody knows? Do you know about the material from today? Oh, you don't know. Okay. Today's topic is about asking and giving opinion. Before we know what is asking and giving opinion, we must know what is opinion first. Opinion is a phrase or sentence that consists of argument, reason, or opinion from someone. Have you ever been asked for opinion by others? Or are you the one asking other people opinions? Okay. These two activities are known as asking and giving opinion. How do you ask and express opinion in English? In everyday conversation, we often encounter asking and giving opinion. For this reason, it is important to us to know what sentence we can use to express and ask opinions. Asking opinion is a sentence which asking opinion or argument to other people to satisfaction. Giving opinion is a sentence that give a reason to someone or other people. So, asking and giving opinion is expression that is used for talking about argument or opinion or two or more people. Jadi maksudnya dalam percakapan sehari-hari itu kita pasti sering jumpai meminta ataupun memberi pendapat. Jadi penting bagi kita untuk mengetahui kalimat apa saja yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menanyakan dan meminta sebuah pendapat. Asking opinion ini bisa dibilang adalah sebuah kalimat yang menanyakan pendapat atau argumen kepada orang lain untuk sebuah kepuasan tertentu bisa jadi, ataupun memberikan pendapat adalah kalimat yang memberi alasan kepada seorang atau orang lain. Jadi, asking and giving opinion adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk membicarakan argumen ataupun pendapat dua orang atau lebih. Sampai di sini you are understand for my explanation? Okay, good. Thank you. And then about asking opinion, linguistically asking means asking while opinion has the meaning of opinion. When the two words are combined, asking opinion means asking for opinion or asking opinion. Asking opinion is used when you want to ask or need the opinion of others. Secara bahasa, asking artinya meminta, sedangkan opinion memiliki arti opini atau pendapat. Apabila kedua kata tersebut digabung, asking opinion berarti meminta pendapat atau menanyakan sebuah pendapat. Asking opinion digunakan ketika kamu ingin bertanya atau membutuhkan pendapat dari orang lain. That is means about asking opinion. There are many ways to ask your opinion in English. For example, the following. What is your opinion? Apa pendapatmu atau apa opini kamu? What is your idea? Apa idemu? What's your thoughts on? Apa pendapatmu tentang sesuatu? What is your point of view? Apa sudut pandangmu? What or how do you think? Bagaimana menurutmu mengenai? How do you think of my idea? Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang ideku? How do you feel about? Bagaimana perasaanmu? Do you have any idea? Apakah kamu memiliki ide? Do you have opinion of? Apakah kamu memiliki opini tentang? Please, give me your opinion. Tolong berikan saya opini kamu. And then, give me your comment please. Berikan aku komentarmu. Giving opinion if above we learn about asking for opinions. Now we will see how to give an opinion or giving opinion. Before expressing an opinion, or an idea that is on your mind. You must know how to start a sentence properly, so that other people can easily understand your opinion. Take note of the following examples carefully. Jadi, jika kita tadi sebelum belajar mengenai cara menanyakan pendapat, sekarang kita akan melihat bagaimana cara untuk memberikan pendapat atau giving opinion. Sebelum mengutarakan pendapat atau ide yang ada di pikiranmu, kamu harus tahu bagaimana mengawali kalimat yang tepat, supaya orang lain itu bisa dengan mudah memahami pendapatmu. And then example about giving opinion is, I think, menurut saya, I think that, aku berpikir bahwa, I think I like it, aku pikir aku menyukainya. I personally consider, saya beranggapan, in my opinion, menurut opini saya, I personally believe, saya secara personal yakin. I tend to think that, aku berpikir bahwa, it is my comment, ini adalah komentarku. In my view, menurutku, as far as I know, sejauh yang aku tahu, from my point of view, dari pendapatku, the way I see is that, caraku melihat ini yaitu, and then my comment is, komentarku adalah. Okay, there are some example about giving opinion. We can continue. Okay, next. So, there is 3 levels for making suggestion, starting from the weak to strong effect. Here is an example. Jadi, terdapat 3 tingkatan untuk memberikan sebuah saran or giving opinion, mulai dari yang efeknya lemah hingga kuat. There is some example is for is weak. Weak is mean lemah. I mean is the give some opinion there is lemah. Saran opini yang bersifat lemah. And then the first example is, I'm not sure but, aku tidak yakin tapi, I could be wrong but, mungkin aku salah tapi, I'm not expert but, bukan ahlinya tetapi, I tend to think that, aku merasa bahwa, I feel that, aku merasa itu adalah, and then I suppose, aku rasa. The next is currently atau tingkatan sedang. The example is, I would like to point out that, aku ingin menekankan bahwa, in my opinion, saranku adalah, I honestly think that, sejujurnya aku berpikir bahwa, I think, kupikir, and then the way I see is that, caraku melihatnya yaitu. Next is strong. Strong atau tingkatan yang lebih kuat. The last is strong. Tingkatan yang terakhir adalah strong atau kuat, memberikan saran yang bersifat kuat. The example is first, I strongly believe that, aku sungguh yakin bahwa, I really believe that, aku sungguh yakin bahwa itu, I'm convinced that, aku yakin bahwa, I'm certain that, aku juga yakin bahwa, and then there is no doubt in mind that, sudah jelas bahwa. Okay, so there is the sample about giving opinion expression weak, currently, and strong. Next, we can continue discuss about agreeing and disagreeing opinions. And then about agreeing and disagreeing with opinions. Every opinions or opinion expressed by someone, of course, there are those who agree with it, and some who do not agree with it. In English, it is called agreeing and disagreeing opinions. Okay, the first we can discuss about example agreeing with an opinion atau menyetujui pendapat seseorang. That example is first, of course, tentu saja. This is absolutely right. Ini benar sekali. I agree with this opinion. Saya setuju dengan opini ini. I agree with your opinion. Saya setuju dengan opini kamu. That's good point. Itu adalah poin yang bagus. I think so too. Saya pikir seperti itu juga. I couldn't agree more. Aku tidak bisa setuju lagi. Okay. And then I agree with what you're saying. Saya setuju dengan apa yang kamu katakan. I agree and I never took of that. Saya setuju and saya tidak pernah merasa seperti itu. And then neither do I. Begitupun aku. There are some example agreeing with an opinion atau menyetujui pendapat. Saya harap kalian bisa memahami maksud yang dari tadi kita bahas. Yang pertama, asking opinion, giving opinion, and then agreeing and disagreeing with opinion. So we can continue again, and then the last is disagreeing with opinions atau tidak menyetujui pendapat seseorang. Bagaimana contohnya? And then the last about disagreeing with an opinion atau tidak menyetujui pendapat seseorang. The example is, I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. Aku minta maaf, aku tidak setuju denganmu. I can say I agree with this. Aku tidak bisa mengatakan aku setuju dengan ini. I do not believe that. Aku tidak percaya itu. By this I mean, dengan ini maksudku, I disagree with you. Aku tidak setuju denganmu. I think you are wrong. Aku pikir kamu itu salah. That's not the same thing at all. Itu tidak sama seperti biasanya. I'm not sure I agree with you. Aku tidak yakin aku setuju denganmu. And then, I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. Aku takut, aku harus mengatakan bahwa aku tidak setuju denganmu. Okay, so there are some example about disagreeing with an opinion. Before we continue our discuss, I will asking to you your understand sampai di sini. Dari materi yang pertama kita membahas mengenai asking opinion, giving opinion, and then agreeing and disagreeing opinion. Apakah sampai sini ada yang ingin bertanya materi tersebut? Oh, jika tidak, oke, baiklah. Ibu guru akan melanjutkan ke selanjutnya. Tidak ada? Oke. The next we can discuss about example text about asking and giving opinion. I would like give to you the some example about asking and giving opinion. Contoh teks dari asking and giving opinion is, I think smoking rooms should be provided in public places because it will be better for people who don't smoke. Smoking really has a bad impact on passive smokers. They don't smoke and they get sick because of the smokers. This is really unfair and a detriment to people who don't smoke. I've told you once and I will tell you again that smoking rooms should be provided at public place because it will be better for people who don't smoke. Jadi pada teks ini menyatakan bahwa memberikan sebuah opini atau tanggapan bahwa smoking rooms itu harus disediakan di public area agar tidak memberikan akibat yang buruk kepada orang yang tidak merokok, karena jika sang perokok itu merokok di publik atau di tempat umum, itu tidak adil bagi seorang yang tidak merokok karena akan memberikan sebuah bad impact atau akibat yang buruk bagi yang tidak si perokok tersebut. Jadi di sini di teks ini si penulis memberikan bahwa smoking area atau smoking room itu harus menjadi tempat satu-satunya bagi seorang perokok agar tidak memberikan sebuah dampak yang buruk bagi orang lain yang tidak merokok. Itu salah satu contoh teks dari giving opinion. Okay. We can continue about example dialogue about asking and giving opinion. There is some dialogue and I wanna to ask you who want to read the dialogue. Okay, I choose Rizka and don't need to read the dialogue. Thank you, Rizka and Doni. This is the some dialogue for material, asking and giving opinion. Okay, there are so example asking and giving opinion dialogue. So those are the material, and then now you know how to ask and give a good and correct opinion. Don't forget to adjust it to the context of the conversation and your interlocutor. Okay, you also have to keep practicing so that your English will be more fun. I think that's all for today. Okay, class, we will stop here. Before we end this class for today, do you have any question? Okay, if you're not to ask me, please recap the material from today and then you choose some on your friend to with your partner, and then give the dialogue about asking and giving opinion, and then we will continue next week. Don't forget to do your homework. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.